Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today and learning how to make this easy to make 4-ingredient pizza dough.
Cheers. So good.
Or I'm going to be teaching Stephanie and you how to make the ultimate handmade pizza with a thin, crunchy crust. So we are making pizza dough. We've just added the water. So we're going to put in 2.5 grams of yeast. Over here, I'm just mixing the salt into the flour.
It's going to activate if they use it in their dough and they don't activate it.
Well, hopefully they would know that their yeast is super fresh, yeah.
Okay.
But that's the only way to really know. Or if your bread, when you're like in the kneading process, if it just completely falls, and you'll know because you'll have a nice tight structure like how we just had, and then you'll knead it like 1 or 2 more times and the whole thing will just fall apart. That means your yeast is not active and it's dead, and you may as well just throw it away because it's never gonna work. You're just gonna dump it all in and you'll want to dump it out onto the counter and start working it there. Okay, now we can let it rest. So just take that bowl,
No oil?
right there. So we'll just let that sit for like 10 minutes just to let the gluten start to form, or the pizza dough. So let's just check it for the, oh yeah, look at that, that gluten structure. It might need a little bit. So we just shape that. And look how smooth that is. So yeah, we really don't need to do anything more but that. Just kind of like degassing it and like shaping it into a ball. Stretch this out a little further and then add some cheese and then like roll it over. You could, even if you want a thicker crust, you could do like something like this where you like just roll it up just a tiny bit just to have some extra. Sprinkle just a little bit of semolina flour on. This is the stuff they use at the actual like Italian pizza places. It's the pizza.
Oh, I'm so excited. Ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Got a nice bite.
It's so good. And the fact that you can put whatever you want on your own pizza, you know? It's so good.
And you know what's in it. So if you want to take your baking skills to the next level, Be sure to check out the recipe costing calculator in the link below that's in the description box. And with our tool, you can easily calculate the cost of your ingredients, adjust measurements to create your own recipes without compromising the original formulation. Even you can also maximize your profits as a home baker or a small business owner. So Stephanie, let me ask, what did you learn today making pizza?
So I learned today that if you really want a thin crust, like you really can stretch it pretty thin.
Yeah.
Like the thinner you actually flatten it out, the better your crust is actually going to be.
Let us know in the comments section if you tried this recipe and how it turned out for you. And remember to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. We post every Saturday at 10 a.m. And thanks again for watching and happy baking!